Yo, whose man's is this? Yo, the whole shock is like hanging out the back of the damn vehicle, and you can see the tire bouncing. Like, yo, what the hell? What the hell? Yo, this is called general maintenance, people. General maintenance. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today I just want to show you how bad it is at like Dodge dealerships or dealerships in general. Pretty much everything that's on the front line at a dealership right now is like all used cars. There's no Challengers, none. There's not a Challenger or Charger to be seen at a Dodge dealership. In fact, they may have more cars from other brands than they have at their own. And this is just a small Dodge dealership here in Kansas that I was going through. And look at all this, man. Ram. They have a couple Rams, Tradesman's, a couple food stamp editions. Now they do have a nice Eco Diesel one here, but I don't recommend the Eco Diesel. They're crap. And they have one nice 3500 Cummins straight body, all blacked out. Oh my God, I think my dick's getting hard. All right. I think I have to bleep that. But yeah, that right there, that I might have to come back and look at that. Shit, hold on. Wait a minute. I was not expecting... Uh-oh. I was not expecting to come out and look at anything. And then I see a straight body 3500. It's not even a dually. Oh my God. What has it got? It's got... Okay. I mean, whoo, air suspension. I don't know. Look at that right there, guys. That's a sight for you right there, boy. Oof. All right. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to bring my ass back up here now, huh? Shit. I'm being serious. I did not expect to see. Look, man. You guys know I've been looking for a 3500 for a while, and a dually. I don't need a dually. I don't. But I wanted a 3500 because you get the better... I'm gonna have to walk and squeeze in between the mirrors. You get a better transmission with the 3500 with that ASIN than the regular ones. What are they asking for this one? This one's $89,265. That's not bad. Not for what I want. Whew. But like I was saying, out here at this dealership, you can see outside of this one row, this one nice Ram. I'm not a fan of Eco Diesels. Food stamp. They got a bunch of food stamp Rams, a couple good Rams, and then everything else out here is other brands. So, man, it definitely sucks when you weren't expecting to look at something and then something pops up that you weren't expecting to see. Because, to be honest, I'm kind of good on vehicles at the moment, especially where just pulling the trigger on my latest Tahoe, before someone gets offended. Damn, man. But look at that thing, man. That thing looks so friggin' clean. It's just saying, buy me. Anywho's, now you have this is just a quick bonus video showing you guys just how bad it is at dealers and why they are overpaying and willing to pay so much for cars right now. You know, like if you go to your local lot, you'll see you probably can count more other brands than the brand, and I'm at a Dodge dealership. You can count more other brands than you can of your own brand at that dealership. Because right now, used cars is where it's at. If they can't get anything else in new, right? If they can't buy new product or they can't get any allocations in to sell, look, man, food has to be put on the table. They got to sell something. So that means they're going to buy cars back at a premium. The used car market as of today, as of right now, today, and today is June 7th. The used car market is up 32% on the year. 32% on the year. 32% over where it was last year. The same used car is 32% higher than it was. Gas prices are higher. Inflation is starting to hit. For all my friends that say, man, inflation, it's going to go away, man. It's not that real. Buckle up, Buttercup. It's coming. It's coming. You're about to pay. You're going to get the same amount of pay that you've been getting from whatever job you got, but you're going to pay more for the shit that you buy every single day. It's called inflation. Damn. Camera just said, eat a dick, man. It's called inflation. It is what it is. It sucks. It's not fun. It's not cool, but it is what it is. Anywho's, hopefully this video was informative to you. Let me know how it looks at your local dealers, if you even see any Chargers or Challengers. Like this one here, when I talked to somebody here earlier before I just came back doing filmed, they had nobody, like nothing, zero. And this is a little town called Ottawa or something, Ottawa, Kansas. So, and I was here, I'll tell you why I was here in Ottawa. I was here because I was at a Ford dealership because they had a 3500 Chevy that I wanted. I'm not gonna lie, man, every time I come out to the country like this, whether it's like Kansas or Nebraska, it makes me miss Ireland like a mofo, man. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's not a state, it's not a city, it's a whole nother country. I'm a dual citizen, so I carry 2 passports. So the whole thing with COVID, I usually go every single year around St. Patrick's Day. Not because of that, but you have to go every year. So I was gonna go, you know, I wanted to go, but with all of the COVID stuff and the restrictions and all that other crap with the EU, I didn't want to deal with it. So, you know, they're starting to open stuff back up, so maybe I'll get a chance to go out there. There's no COPART in Ireland. There isn't. But maybe I can find a little auction out there. I think you guys might find some of the cars in Ireland to be very different. Lots of Daihatsus. Shout out to my people from Ireland. I got a few that watch. And I got a few family members out there that watch. Y'all can comment. But, yeah. Maybe I have to do a video. Shout out to my people from in Ireland. Maybe I got to do a video in Gaelic and just throw everybody off. But anyways, I hope y'all have a wonderful day, man. Like I said, go tap in with your dealers and go look and see for yourself that there ain't no new cars. A lot of the new cars, they're just not available. There's still trucks, but it's not trucks that the average person wants to buy. They're just like base model shit. Nobody wants to buy. If you're gonna drop a bag, nobody wants to drop a bag on some base model shit. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, go check them out, man, because I'm shocked. I'm just shocked at some of the stuff that's going on. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.
Perfect.